Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 27th day of April 2026. And here is the trade that was taken in the room today by myself and other traders. And we're going to go to our good friend, the strong candle indicator on this candle right here. And so this candle is 4 times stronger than the previous one and has our little triangle pointing down saying, go ahead and take this trade short. Now, there's a couple other things here that contribute to this signal. One, the next candle gaps over this brick wall for the 4-hour close. We have multiple failures at the weekly close, and then we get the first strong candle going in the opposite direction. So that's what we're going to do. We look over here at the PVI. PVI is really, really slow today. Like it was expect the next candle to be somewhere between, say, 25 and 50 ticks long. So we got to use one of our lower ATMs. So we're going to go for 16s, 31s, and 60s and see how we all go. So I do need this candle to push up, show me a bit of green so I can get a separate failure in there. Then we'll go ahead and put our order on and see how we deal with the 50 of the day. So here's how it all went down in the room. There's a nice push up. Beautiful. All right, now when we get picked up in this, we will put our stop where it belongs, make sure our targets are set, then we'll speed it up to see what the result was. So a simple strong candle trade, short after multiple failures. So and a really nice retrace. I'm loving this retrace. It's just an additional failure. So if we get picked up, highly likely we're going to pay at least our first target. All right, so there we go. All our targets are set. We're going to put our stop where it belongs, last major failure point. And now we can go ahead and speed it up, see how we all made out. Boom. Now you'll notice when our first target gets hit, we're going to de-risk the trade and bring it down to a break-even position. This is 4 times the market speed, so you can tell how slow the speed really is. Nothing wants to close over the weekly close anymore. There's also Fibonacci reasons why it doesn't want to get past that. So now we just need to wait for it to come back the other way. A lot of times the candles will wait till the last 30 seconds before they wind up doing what they're supposed to do. You just have to have the wherewithal to withstand the sweat, as we say. Well, here we go. Last 30 seconds. Boom. First target's out. Trade is de-risked. There's no reason for us to get out of this. We'll see how this candle deals with the 50 of the day. So again, we're still at 4 times market speed, so we just need to be patient during these slow days. Another retrace. Going to make sure you're going to push retrace off that 4-hour close. The worst thing that can happen at this point is that we break even. And then we have the option as to whether we want to re-enter the trade or not. I don't believe that it gets that far. If I remember right, it just goes through and pays our targets. Now, when it's slow, it will take some extra time to get everything paid. It's a tough area. The 50 of the day is really hard to get through. We'll see how this candle deals with it. And then we'll make a determination. There we go. It's paid our second target. So 16s and 30s are out. We have 60 ticks in profit. We have one contract outstanding at minus 14. So we can only make money on this. And I believe we said once it hits the 50 of the day, we're going to bring it down behind this candle because we want to get something on our last target. If it doesn't go all the way to 60s, we want to make sure we just don't get, We don't get nothing out of this. And you can keep following your stop down because the 50 of the day is a pretty heavy brick wall, and so is the gap for that matter. But it does pick up. So this trade took about, where are we? 13 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 13 minutes, come and join us at the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. So until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.